Could a bad connection at a relay or control board prevent blower operation? A blown blower motor often traces back to the control wiring and connection points rather than the motor itself. Start by turning power off at the service disconnect. Then visually inspect the relay terminals, control board terminals, and any spade or screw connectors for signs of looseness, arcing, corrosion, or heat discoloration. Use a non-contact voltage detector to confirm circuits are de-energized before touching anything, then gently tug each wire to check for mechanical security. If a terminal is loose, remove the conductor, clean the contact, and reinstall or replace the connector with the correct size and type. For burnt or heat-damaged terminals, replace the terminal block or wiring harness component entirely because reheating or reusing compromised copper risks intermittent faults and higher resistance. When tightening screw terminals, do not over-tighten. Tighten to firm snug plus a quarter turn, or follow the equipment manufacturer torque values if available, because over-tightening can break ferrules or strip screws. After repairs, restore power and observe blower startup while monitoring for any abnormal noises, delayed engagement, or tripping of protection. If the relay does not actuate, check coil voltage and continuity to distinguish between a bad relay and an upstream control fault. Keep a small kit of replacement spade terminals, insulated ferrules, and a compact torque screwdriver on service calls to convert temporary fixes into durable repairs quickly. Common mistakes are diagnosing solely by feel without measuring, which leads to overlooking high-resistance joints that test fine under no load. Use a low-range microohmmeter or measure voltage drop under load to catch these. Another issue is cleaning charred terminals and reusing them instead of replacing them. Charred copper can hide microfractures, so replace the terminal or connector to restore reliable conductivity. Technicians also sometimes forget to check associated grounds and neutral connections, which can allow the control board to behave erratically. Verify all ground and neutral points for security and continuity, and diagnose the control circuit as a complete loop rather than isolated points. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find jobs that match their skills. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange troubleshooting tips, project experiences, and vendor recommendations.